everyone, I hope you're staying safe and healthy. This is the tutorial for Hold On to the Memories. It's a pretty slow paced song, so you should be able to catch on pretty quickly. The faster you catch on and get it to the music, the more time you will have to practice with those facial expressions. Please make sure that you are using the facial expressions. This will be shown to all the teachers during our last meeting for the year as a little send off from you guys. So just remember that. When you finish recording your piece, you can do it in iMovie, you can do it straight on your phone. It doesn't really matter as long as you find a way to send me the video as soon as possible. If you happen to finish this before the last week of school, this is that grade. So that just frees you up for other things that last week, and I'll already have that grade ready to be entered. All right, we'll get started. So, memories fade, but they're never lost. Colors change with time and change of heart. If I hold on to the memories and use them to guide me, will you be right here beside me? Everything I know is behind me. I'm starting a new life, and it's L's at your lungs. I just don't want to say goodbye. And make sure you shake your head there, that way we know it's negative. The sun has set on everything we know, friends we've made, don't want to let go. After everything that we have learned, it's our time now. It's our turn. Then it repeats the same chorus I did earlier, so just look back at that. The next part is a little quick, so it may take you just a little bit of time to get that to the music, but do the best you can. All right. The lights, so you flick your chin, the lights go dim as we suddenly, so think of it as like kind of gunshots almost, and you're just pulling back. And it's just once. C, it's time to find who we, and we is always a K, so we are meant to be. We couldn't wait for this to end. And again, make sure you're shaking your head. Now we wish, and that's all the way down to your belly button, could start again. And then it just goes to the chorus again. At the end, it starts repeating goodbye. So I'd like a few of you guys to go ahead and do the goodbyes. And I'd like a few of you guys to see if you can get to the background where it says, and it's a little quicker, if I hold on to the memories and use them to guide me, will you be right here beside me? And at the very end, it has the line that I want you all to do, which is, I believe it's, now I have to say goodbye. Okay, so that's pretty much it. In between the sections where there's just music. I want you to listen carefully. I want you to choose one of the instruments that you hear and just kind of play along, whether it's piano or if there's a guitar or if it's drums. Just make sure you're doing it to the actual rhythm. And once the video is made, it'll help out a whole lot. Okay. And I'll be making sure that you guys get access to that video as well. It'll most likely go up on the Twitter page. And we do have a theater Twitter page now. It's at, what is it? I believe it is, sorry. It is at NTM Theater Geeks. Okay, that is our name. If you send me things through email, if you have pictures from theater or anything like that, you can send it to me. I'll proof it and then I can put it on the actual Twitter page for theater. So if y'all took some pictures during y'all's rehearsals or anything like that, or if you have something you want to say, you can always do a hashtag and have that in there, hashtag NTM Theater Geeks. Okay, so that's a way that we can start getting stuff out there, and I took pictures throughout the year, so you'll see some of those old ones on there. All right, I look forward to seeing you guys with your finished products, sending those to me as quick as possible so we can get that video started. It's going to take me all day to create that video. So yeah, the next video is me doing it with the music. So once you learn the actual signs, you can put that one on and actually make sure you're going at the pace that you need to. All right, see you guys later.